Hey, it's John with JohnLaGuardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. On today's episode, we've got a quick unboxing from Patagonia. Let's see what we got. Yeah, so I ordered this hat. It's called the Funfarer hat. Something newer to their product line. Yeah, let's check it out. This is a first look. I haven't seen this yet. Wow, this is pretty cool. Yeah, it's got, I love these stripes on the side. They're like embroidered on the side. That's pretty nice. Also, it's got the nice Patagonia logo on the front. Pretty retro looking design. I really like it. And of course, I'm more of a flat bill guy than a curved bill. But I have been known to wear a curved bill from time to time. This looks like a great hat for adventuring out in the field. It's got their little tag. It is a one size fits all, but what's really unique and what caught my eye about this Funfarer cap is that it's made from 100% fishing nets for the brim. Pretty awesome, and it's 100% recycled and 100% traceable as well. So retail on this is $39 US, $49 Canadian. But looks like a great cap, so check it out online at Patagonia.com. I'll leave a link down in the description below where you can check this hat out. Maybe even post some pictures on my website at JohnLaGuardia.com. And so I hope that helps you out, but a way that you can help me out is hit the like button down below. And then if you would, please subscribe to the channel. I've got all kinds of great unboxings coming since it's around the holiday time. It's a perfect time for all these different unboxings and reviews that are coming in 2023. So hope you have a great day today, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.